Over the past few days, Britain has seen many violent protests from traitors to this great nation. This will no longer be tolerated. Police officers have been armed and have the right to open fire on citizens. Attempt to be violent to police officers and they will show you no mercy. Do not attack any government officials. You will be executed. A new curfew will be introduced. You must be in your homes at 7 p.m. You will be permitted to leave at 7 a.m. Anyone found outside during this time will be executed. Any member of the English Defence League that is found out will be executed. Anyone found out to be a part of any group that has or will show any aggression to police officers or government officials will be executed. Thank you for your cooperation.